Jetta's authentic uncover inside
Garage
Cobo
Automotive.
Center,
Subscribe
which utilized
now.
pictures of Detroit cityscapes and photographs of hip youthful 20 to 30-year-olds and families, whom Volkswagen is focusing with the new age of its top-rated vehicle in the US. In any case, the organization likewise observes the Jetta as a final bit of modifying shopper confide in the wake of the diesel discharge's outrage and reinforcing its position in the US showcase. It sounds bizarre for an organization that sold 6.23 million vehicles universally in 2017, an expansion of 4.2%, and will challenge Toyota for the crown of world's greatest automaker. Be that as it may, VW Metal is not kidding about the developing piece of the overall industry in the assembled states, where its business a year ago were $339,700. VW opened its Jetta uncover occasion by discussing its new charge-book SUV and Tiguan 3-push hybrid, saying it knew it needed to react to Americans' hunger for enormous use. This is only the start of our model hostile. We are pushing extremely hard, and I won't rest until the point that Volkswagen has modified its position as a solid, reliable, and effective brand in the United States, said Herbert Diess, director of VW's leading group of administration. So here comes the new 2019 Jetta, which touches base in showrooms in the second quarter in 5 trim choices, in addition to another Jetta car line trim, which gets selective inside and outside plan clusters and the XDX electronic differential. The conservative car gets a more drawn-out wheelbase, more extensive position and more inside room, in addition to drove tail and headlights. Its 1.4-liter TSI motor offers best-in-class torque and accessible 8-speed programmed and 6-speed manual transmission, in addition to a 400-watt Beach sound framework. It's estimated intensely beginning at $18,545, a hair under the cost of its active variant, in spite of pressing it with more highlights. Offers of the Jetta fell 4.4% in the US a year ago to $115,807, so it'll be intriguing to perceive how the new form performs when it hits showrooms in the second quarter. We could offer a couple of conversation starters about the new auto to VW's North American president, Heinrich Wilken.